Every great installation begins with safety, preparation, and professionalism. At O.E.E Technologies, that's exactly how we work. Our team arrives fully equipped with certified tools and complete personal protective equipment, including safety helmets, insulated gloves, reflective vests, safety boots, eye protection, and full-body harnesses. Because every life matters. Before any installation begins, we inspect the site, identify potential hazards, and plan every step carefully. From mounting solar panels securely on the roof to running clean electrical wiring and installing hybrid inverters, lithium batteries, breakers, and surge protection devices, every detail is completed with precision and according to industry standards. Every connection is tested, every cable is checked, every system is inspected before power is switched on. No shortcuts, no guesswork, only quality workmanship you can trust. When the system comes alive and the home is powered by clean, reliable solar energy, our job isn't finished. We take time to educate every customer on how to safely operate and maintain their new solar system. At O.E.E Technologies, we don't just install electrical and solar systems, we build trust, deliver excellence, and put safety first every single day. O.E.E Technologies, powering homes, protecting lives, delivering excellence.